Seth with Oklahoma Joe's, and today I want to show you how to start a charcoal fire using our halftime charcoal starter and our all-natural fire starters. So it's very, very simple. All you need to do is load up the halftime charcoal starter with a full load. I'm using briquettes today, so this is about 100 briquettes, which is between 4 to 6 pounds worth depending on what type of fuel you're using. And then all you've got to do is just light the fire starters, place this on top, and you're ready to go. I'm using 2 fire starters, and that's just to make it go a little faster. One of these fire starters will light the whole load by itself, so if you want to just use one, that's totally fine. Also, if you don't have fire starters, you can use newspaper or any other flammable material pretty much that will go underneath there. You just need something that's going to burn with a large flame and last for a while so they can get the charcoal fully lit. So I'm going to go ahead and light the fire starters. And as you can see, they light just as easily as a candle. Now once these are lit, all I need to do is pick up the halftime starter and place it on top. You'll notice that there's this secondary handle here, and that's just because this is an extra large size starter, and so when it gets lit or when it gets fully loaded, it's fairly heavy. So this is just for stability, especially when you're dumping the charcoal. So place it on top. Now I'm all set and ready to go. I can walk away, come back in 15 minutes and be ready to cook. So it's been about 15 minutes now, and as you can see, the charcoal is white hot. It is completely lit all the way to the top. There's a big clean flame coming off the top, so this is really ready to go. All that's left is for us to dump it and get ready to start cooking. I like to wear gloves when I'm going to pick these up. One thing I should mention is you'll notice the handle connection on this is a little different than a standard. Instead of this top bracket connecting to the top portion of the bucket, it actually connects to the bottom, slightly underneath where the charcoal is. And because of that, it does not conduct as much heat through the handle. So this handle will actually stay cool to the touch. You actually can pick it up without gloves. But what I like to do is wear gloves just in case, you don't want to have a 5-6 pound load of lit charcoal on your hands and then something spills and you're not wearing gloves. So I wear gloves just as a precaution, but you do not have to. So let's get ready to dump these out and continue cooking. All right, so we're gonna just dump this in. So with this and about 100 briquettes, you're gonna be ready to cook in 15 minutes. So it's cutting your time in half, which means you can step back and enjoy time with family and friends that much quicker. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're gonna do several videos on how to use this product and give you some good tips and tricks along with some demos. We're also gonna show some head-to-head comparison with the other charcoal chimneys just so that you can see how drastic the difference is. Thanks for watching today, and I hope that this video was helpful and that you'll join us in the future.